You want to be a great developer. So you watch tutorials, one after another. JavaScript crash course. Python in 10 minutes. React in a weekend. But let me tell you something. No one says out loud. You can spend years watching tutorials and still not know how to code. Why? Because tutorials are not the answer. Not by themselves. They're a tool, not the journey. Real learning happens when you break things. When you write code that doesn't work and you don't know why. When you're stuck, confused, frustrated, and then you Google, you read docs, you dig through Stack Overflow, you try something, it fails, you try again. That struggle, that's the real process. It's not about how many videos you've watched, it's about how you think, how you solve. You'll feel stupid, you'll feel like you're not cut out for this. But here's the truth, every great developer you look up to, they felt that too. They just didn't stop. So no, you don't need the next perfect 10-hour tutorial. What you need is to start. Pick a problem, build something small, break it, fix it, repeat. That's the way forward, not a shortcut, but the real way to learn code.